Hello everyone, we are making Christmas ornaments. We have already made a few. I hope you have followed along and made some. Today we will make this beautiful Christmas star. You can use it as an ornament for your tree, or you can put it on the gift, or you can even make a series of them and use them as bunting and hang them around for decoration. For this star also we will follow the same pattern we have followed so far. We will start by making granny pentagon and then turn it into a star. You can follow a detailed tutorial on my page about granny pentagon. You can use any bit of scrap yarn to make these ornaments. In this way you can also get rid of some of your scrap yarn. We will start by making a slip knot. Use whatever method you are comfortable with and make 5 chains. Make a circle by making slip stitch in the first and last chains and chain 3. In this tiny bit of space we will make our clusters. I will make 2 double crochets and complete my first shell, my first cluster. I am chaining 3 in between my clusters. This is my second cluster. In total we will make 5 clusters. The most difficult part of this star is making this first round. Remember to crochet above your tail end. We have made 3 clusters and now we are going to make 4th one. This is the last cluster. After making 5 clusters, we'll make chain 3 and then join with this first chain 3, which is our starting chain, which is our first double crochet, This is our pentagon and first round of our star. Let's continue and make second round. To make second round, you will chain 1 and go back in the same stitch and make 1 single crochet, and in next stitch 1 single crochet, and in next stitch 1 single crochet. In this chain 3 space you will make 3 single crochets, chain 3. If you like really pointy star, then you will make picot stitch. Otherwise you can just After making chain 3, make 3 single crochets. I'll show you both and you can decide for yourself which one you prefer. This is what your star will look like if you just make chain 3. Let's frog it and I will show you how to make picot stitch. After making chain 3, go back in the hump of first chain and make a slip stitch and make 3 single crochets. And this is what the point of your star will look like. I'll continue with the picot stitch. After making 3 single crochets, we'll make single crochets in these double crochets from the previous row, and you'll have to squeeze the single crochets away so that you can find the first double crochet and make single crochet in it as well. So this is my first single crochet, my second and my third. Again we have the 3 chain space in which we will make in total 6 single crochets. So I have made 3 single crochets. Now I will make chain 3 and picot stitch in the back hump. After making picot stitch, we will make 3 chains. Three chains are done. Now again we will find the first double crochet from the cluster below and make our chains 1 and make our single crochets. So this is second one and this is third one. Next space in which we will again make 3 single crochets. Chain 3, turn your work to find the first back hump to make picot and 3 single crochets in the same space. Next space, again 3 single crochets, 3 chains, turn your work and 1, 2, 3, go back, pick up the first one, take your yarn and go through the 2 loops. So your picot stitch is done. Make 3 single crochets, again slide your work to locate your stitch. This is the last space, last chain 3 space. 1, 2 and 3, last picot stitch, 3 chains, going back in the first hump and picot stitch, 3 single crochets, and we have come to the first double crochet and we will slip stitch here. This is what our star looks like. It's complete. You can just cut your yarn here and bind off, or you can use the same color, same yarn to make a little string to hang it as well. So I'm just making simple chain, and I'll stop when I think it's enough and I'll be able to hang it from somewhere. I'll go back in the first stitch and slip stitch. Let's cut the yarn. Secure the end. We have 2 tails to hide. You can use tapestry needle. I prefer to use smaller crochet hook. So I will turn my motif, my star, and just bury my yarn in these stitches. Just pass it through these stitches until you see it no more. This was the starting tail, so let's just pass it through these double crochets. You can see how it looks in these 2 colors, in white and in red. I hope you will have fun making these stars and decorating your house and gifts with them. Have fun, and until next time, take care.